Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm Aditya Singh, and today in this video we are going to see strategies for SPOM Set B costing paper. So I'll be sharing with you all the tips and tricks, strategies what I followed, how much time I took, what resources I have used in while cracking this SPOM set, and what I did one day before examination, how I managed my articleship along with my study. So to know all these things, let's get into video without wasting our time. Let's do it. Okay, so what we are gonna do is I took 7 days to prepare the costing paper of set B. So I used to give 2 to 3 hours daily for the SPOM set B. So I watched a 4 hour of lectures which is available on the YouTube channel. So I don't remember his name. I'll mention in the description box, or I'll write on the video itself, so you can find his channel. And he has made a 4 hour of marathon, so you can watch his marathon. He has provided all the theoretical points which can come as an MCQs in your exam, and also he has provided with the important practical questions which can come in your examination. So his videos have merged a very important role in cracking my SPOM examination. So yeah, do watch his marathon and you will find it fruitful. So second thing what I did, I solved all MCQs of the SPOM set B. Or in costing I found MCQs which were coming exact from the module itself. The exact MCQs questions were asked to me in the examination. So that is very important. So this is second point, MCQs. Also watch actual MCQs PDF which is circulating in the market on the Telegram itself. So you can also see that actual MCQs list which covers what exact questions were asked in the examination, and mostly the question were getting repeated because a person who was sitting just beside me, I helped him. The exact MCQs were asked in his paper also, so I just the MCQs options were changed and I just hinted him that this is the answer, that is the answer, because I already had solved that question. So many of the questions were getting repeated in the paper of the person who was sitting beside me. So I helped him also. So yeah, you have to focus on the repetitive question also. And that was the third point. The fourth point is you have to see the Hemant Somani summary book. So he has provided with the summary of all the important MCQs, the crux of the MCQs, all the important formulas which can come in the B costing paper. So you can also refer to his summary book as well. I also had referred his summary book. And yeah, that's it. With all these things, you can cover the costing paper very easily. The theoretical part is coming a bit more in the examination, which I have asked from many of my friends, and I have also personally experienced that the theory part is coming more as compared to the practical part. If you do not practice more and more some of the practical part, it is okay, but don't forget to solve the important topic questions. You'll get the important topic question list. I will try to attach it in the description as well if I find it. Okay, so that was the thing. Do not leave the important topics of costing. At least cover all the important topics and you will easily crack the costing paper. You do not have to solve all the question, all the topics. So yeah, that's it for the video. I think I have covered all the important points which I am supposed to cover in this video. So with this we come to an end of this video, and tell me what was fruitful in this video, what you want the next. I'll be uploading many videos as well. In the upcoming videos I'll be uploading many content as well, so don't forget to subscribe the channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep rocking, keep learning. Thank you so much. Bye.